Hello there, I'm Mr. Schrader and welcome to MrSchrader.com. I'm going to take a little time and show you around my classroom website. I'm going to start the tour at the same place that you started our website, the home page. This page has undergone a lot of work to make it useful, and there's a lot of information that will be important to you. I'm recording this in the summer, so the information here will be in regard to then. So information will change as our year progresses. The first thing you should notice at the top is this green bar. And this green bar is only shown if there is an alert that you should know about. In this case, is alerting you that school is not in session. If there's no alerts, it'll disappear and it'll look a little bit more like that. There are also a few places on the front page that give you some sort of information. Right next to our logo at the top is my Twitter feed. This is where I'll post some short, often more personal pieces of information that you might find interesting. For example, in this case, we just finished our wedding thank yous today, and so I posted a little tidbit about that. Next, you're going to notice a large image that just rotates. This banner is meant to highlight something new or exciting going on. In this case, it says we're out of school, but it also will say that you should check out our Facebook page and so on. To the right of the banner is our latest StudyCast, or a podcast. These may be created by me or by our class. In fact, as a class, we try to record one each week as a weekly newscast. To listen to a StudyCast, it gives you a little description. You can click the Listen button, and it'll pop up a little box that allows you to just listen to it in line here. Our StudyCast is also available on iTunes as well. If you scroll down the page, you're going to notice the section called News and Announcements, and it lists quite a few of the latest articles of what's going on in our class. If you want to learn more about this article, you just click on the title and it'll bring up the article in its own, and you can even leave a little comment if you like. To get back to the home page, you just click the logo at the top. Also down in this area, you're going to see that there's a calendar that shows some of our upcoming events and a few more interesting or noteworthy things you might be interested in, such as what we're reading as a class or what I'm reading personally, and a web poll that we post periodically to just gain some information. The last thing I want to show you on our front page is this carousel banner right under the banner. It's a carousel, which means it kind of goes around in a circle, and it's really just meant to be a shortcut. It's supposed to get you to some places on our site that you need to get to quickly, such as our daily planner or our library. I want to talk about one more thing on our website, and it's that our whole site is divided into several sections. The first section is dedicated just to students. Any area or activity that has to do with students is in this section. The parents section and the teachers section are just the same way. So if you're a student, you're most likely going to go to students. Similarly, if you're a parent, you go to the parents section, and teachers can do the same. Finally, I think it's very important to be able to get into contact with me. So while my contact information is on every page at the bottom, if you go to this contact section, it offers a quick and easy way to just write me a note. I'll get into the other sections in more detail in other videos, but I hope this helps get you oriented to how our site works. I'm glad you're here. Take some time and forge on, my friend, and I hope you enjoy our site.